I want your opinion on GE Monogram refrigerator problems.
The GE Monogram fridge has a design flaw that leads to excess condensation accumulating inside the fridge.
You can get the same problem if there's a leak in the seal.
This is so bad that it could overflow the drain pan periodically, not even taking ice dams on the freezer drain or moldy produce into account.
Too much moisture in the fridge could cause mold and mildew.
Yes, that's a problem with the GE Monogram fridge as well. You can empty it out and wipe it down with bleach water periodically, but you need to pour bleach water down the drain too, to sterilize the drain pan.
I do not even like cleaning the bathroom. I do not want to have to empty the fridge to scrub it and sterilize it.
This in the short term reduces the risk of mildew smell ruining leftovers and mold making your kitchen smell like a locker room. Long term, the condensation building up inside the unit will rust the evaporator coil and other mechanical parts.
All mechanical parts rust and wear out.
If the normal evaporator coil lasts 5 years, it dies in 2 or 3. The compressors usually die after a year or 2.
Compressors can die because the starter relays failed or shorted out. Or the control panel may error out and cause the compressor not to work, assuming it isn't a thermistor problem.
The condensation problem for GE Monogram fridges means your control board is prone to shorts.
That's not something I can fix nor prevent by drying things out. And replacing it is pretty expensive.
The worst part is that GE does not offer fast replacement of these failure-prone parts.
I cannot think of any appliance manufacturer that does these days.
They are prone to refrigerant leaks too.
That would explain the condensation problem.
That's a different issue from the condensation problem.
Then it has way more problems than I want to deal with.
This is all on top of the condensation and humidity throwing off sensor readings, so it does not cool down like you expect. Or misreads the temperature and runs forever while turning the fridge into a scene out of Frozen.
If I liked Frozen, the DVD the kids were watching would not have disappeared.
One of the more annoying design flaws of the GE Monogram fridge is that it tends to make a lot of noise if it is not at least 60% full.
As if I'm going to risk that much food getting moldy or soggy, or want that much to have to move to clean the fridge so it does not smell like I added mushrooms to all my dishes.